So finally got my 6R, so it is super dusty, so I'll go home and see what's the situation. Huh? ಅದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂಕಲ್. ಹಾಂ ಹುಷಾರ್. ಹಾಂ ಸೊ 6R ಫುಲ್ ಗಲೀಜು, obviously no cover, right? So it will happen. So I will possibly go to MES college, so that's the situation, and it's good to be back on 6R. ನೀನು ಹೋಗು ಮುಂದೆ. It feels so good to back on 6R. I hope the vlog is coming fine. I hope there's no crack, whatever sounds. So it feels so nice to be back on 6R, actually speaking. So I'm actually planning to go near MES college for egg fried rice, famous egg fried rice. It's been like some time that I ate, so let me go there and have. So I want to wait for Sanket if he's just missed the road. The angle might be slightly tilted down because I'm not using the slightly front mount, so please ignore the angle. I'll fix it in the next upcoming videos, alright? So please do understand, and looking forward for your cooperation. College की जय. I'll go eat egg rice and then catch you up. Yeah.